Hi, my name's Penny and we're going to be talking about opportunities in Workamajig today. Now, opportunities are a way for us to manage not only new business, but also for account executives to be able to manage opportunities that they're working on or new strategies that they're working on with their client base. So the opportunity area is a great section of Workamajig that has a variety of different components, not only to manage the financial portion of the opportunity, but also to manage the communication, moving it through its process. If we look at an opportunity, we can see that there is a selection here where I can see the revenue potential. I can see potential costs for production, for media, for labor. I can also track my stage and status and probability weighting. Over to the right, I can forecast when do I anticipate this opportunity potentially closing by, as well as what do we think the duration of this type of project would take. So these areas are going to help not only the person who's managing this opportunity and working on it, it's also going to feed forward into Workamajig for someone who might be looking at what's coming down our pipeline. And they might be looking at it from two different aspects. One would be value. What's our potential revenue? So forecasting. And of course, making sure that we have the ability to actually do those jobs, making sure that the information coming down the pipeline is for resourcing too. Tracking of our outcome, obviously we want to make sure that we can get good reporting on how well we're doing with closing the opportunities that we're working on, and when did we close those. So again, all this information is great information not only for the person who's managing that opportunity, but also feeding forward to others who might be being proactive. Conversations. We've talked about conversations before, and of course they're everywhere in Workamajig, and they're used for a variety of things. Some of these conversations might have started out when this was simply a lead. So when the lead was converted into the opportunity, all the communication we had with that lead follows forward. So we see the full picture when we look at that opportunity. Any new communications, whether it's simply tracking a note of what we might be doing, or scheduling ourselves with a takeaway from a conversation that we might have had on the phone, or an email communication that we're tracking with this potential new opportunity. There's an area for custom fields, as well as for us to be providing information of details like spec sheets, brief type information. All of this goes into play with keeping our opportunities moving forward, fully informed, and of course, opportunities having a place that's overarching like a board. As you can see, I don't have to drill into each of these opportunities to move them through that process. If one of these individuals called me up and said, yeah, you know what, I'm really interested. No longer are they in that initial contact, but I can then transition them into a confirmed status that they are definitely interested. And we're now going to move forward with perhaps gathering more information about this potential new opportunity. As these move through their process and we see them moving forward, we'll always be able to get great reporting on where our opportunities are, what the potential value of those opportunities are, and what are the potential resource needs that we're going to have when they come together.